Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Nana Kwame once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, quickly, I'm going to teach you how to swap a coin on Pancakeswap. I have been getting a couple of DM messages about people finding it difficult to buy token or swap token on Pancakeswap. So without wasting much time, you go to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is one of the powerful decentralized platforms. So I normally use Trust Wallet. So I'll go there. All right. For Pancakeswap, BNB Smart Chain is mostly used for the swap. This coin, you have to get this coin first here. Next video, I will teach you how to get this coin easily. So after getting the amount of money that you want to swap for such token, you have to get it at BNB Smart Chain. So let's go. So you go to dApps, you go over here, you click over there. Okay, as you can see, I already have Pancakeswap, so you can have it already over there. So I'll click on it. All right, so if you go there, you see the BNB over there. Automatically you see it over there, and the amount that you have in BNB, you will see it over there. And here is the you have to get the token over here. The token that you want to swap have to be here. So the type of regarding to the type of the token that you want to swap, you have to click here. You have to click there to input the token. You have to. So here, not all token you will automatically see over here. So you have to go to coin market cap. So let me take you to coin market cap. Coin market cap. All right, coin market cap. Then you would, if only your token that you want to buy have been listed on coin market cap, you have to go to search, then type in the token that you want to buy. For me, I am buying Zenu. So you click on Zenu. All right, so you see here the contract address is here. The contract address is here. So what you have to do is to click the arrow beside it. So Zenu have these 3 contract address. So I will copy. For me, I am buying using BNB. So I will copy BNB Smart Chain contract address over there. You click here to copy. So I'll copy it and go back to Pancakeswap. All right, so you will come and paste it over here, and automatically your token name will appear over there. So I'll click on it. For me, I already have it over there, so I just did that for those who don't have it over there. So whenever you appear over here, you have to just know the type of token you want to buy, and you have to make sure you have BNB at the top. So now I have my Zeno over there already. So I will type the amount of BNB I want to buy, or the amount of BNB I want to swap to your designated token. So I will type 0.09. You don't have to type exactly the amount that you have over there, because there is going to be a fee deduction. So this is the amount of token I will get. So just be careful over here. The amount of the token that you get, just put .00 behind it, so that you won't get problem on the slipping tolerance side. Some people used to type some specific percentage over there. Some goes in for 10%, 5% slippery tolerance, but for me, I don't want to go there. I'll just type .00 behind the value of the token that I'm swapping for. So I'll just go to swap. I'll go to swap anyway. Then I'll go to approve. I'll type my PIN. Alright, so transaction submitted. So you click on close. Alright, so the transaction has been executed. So I have to go and check it in my wallet. So I'll just click on wallet over here. I'll click on it. I'll go to my Zeno. I already have 25 billion over there, and I'll go there to cross check. Boom, as you can see, I have successfully swapped 5.55 billion Zeno. Sorry, 5.546 billion Zeno. So guys, it's very simple. This is how you can actually buy or swap any token with BNB on Pancakeswap. Thank you very much. Next video, I'm going to take you through how to get BNB on your Trust wallet. Thank you very much. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there are so many education or training on the pipeline. Thank you very much.